Number 5. Hoover Power Dash Carpet Cleaner. Lightweight and compact design for efficient cleaning. Storage plastic handle material. Good for pet messes, high traffic areas, and small spaces. Heat force for faster drying so you can get back on your carpets quickly. 2x more cleaning power than the leading lightweight carpet cleaner. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 4. Dupre Neat Steam Cleaner. Best multi-purpose steamer for home, cars, and more. Up to 50 minutes of cleaning time per fill up. Use any regular towel or cloth, no need for expensive special pads. Deep clean grouts lines and porous tiles to restore their shine. Easily and naturally deep clean without the use of harsh chemicals. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 3. Bissell Pet Stain Eraser Cordless Carpet Cleaner. Spray, scrub, and suction to remove pet stains and messes. Lithium-powered handheld carpet cleaner. Formula conveniently stores in the machine. Instantly and permanently removes stains. Includes 2 trial-size formulas. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 2. Hoover Smart Wash Automatic Carpet Cleaner. The triggerless design automatically mixes and dispenses solution. Simply push forward to clean and pull back to dry. Use dry-only mode in combination with heat force for faster drying. Specifically designed for pets, the Flex Force Pet Power brushes clean deep. Trial size spot chaser pre-treat stain solution. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 1. Bissell Pro Heat 2X Revolution Pet Pro Carpet Cleaner. Bissell proudly supports Bissell Pet Foundation. Delivers dry carpets in about 30 minutes. Packing in 12 rows of rotating dual dirt lifter power brushes. Lightweight design and low profile foot. Includes bonus 3 tough stain tool and 2-in-1 pet upholstery tool. Please check the description for details and best price.